Unlocking the power of plants. How a plant-based diet enhances your health. Reducing the risk of heart disease and hypertension is a significant benefit of adopting healthier lifestyle choices. By incorporating more nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can improve heart health and lower blood pressure, leading to a more vibrant life. Lowers cholesterol levels naturally, offering a path away from reliance on medication. Through dietary adjustments, it's possible to manage and even reverse high cholesterol, paving the way for a healthier cardiovascular system and a brighter future. Promoting a healthier body weight and reducing obesity are central to improving overall health. Adopting a diet rich in whole foods not only aids in weight loss but also sets the foundation for long-term health and well-being. Decreasing the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes is another crucial advantage. By choosing foods that regulate blood sugar levels and enhance insulin sensitivity, individuals can protect themselves against this increasingly common condition. Offering a rich variety of essential nutrients and vitamins, a thoughtfully chosen diet ensures that the body receives all it needs to function optimally. This abundance of nutrients supports everything from brain health to bone strength, fostering overall vitality. Eating a diet rich in fiber is crucial for digestive health. It not only helps prevent constipation but also reduces the risk of digestive disorders. High fiber intake ensures smoother bowel movements and contributes to a healthier gut flora balance. Incorporating a variety of nutrients and vitamins into your diet through whole foods can significantly boost your energy levels and mood. This natural approach to nutrition helps in maintaining optimal body function and supports mental health, leading to an overall improvement in well-being. One of the key benefits of a nutrient-rich diet is its ability to minimize inflammation, a common culprit behind various chronic diseases including arthritis. By choosing anti-inflammatory foods, individuals can manage pain and improve joint health, enhancing their quality of life. A healthy diet doesn't just benefit your internal organs, it reflects on your skin too. Consuming foods high in antioxidants and vitamins can lead to clearer, healthier-looking skin. This natural skincare approach helps combat acne, reduces wrinkles, and promotes a radiant complexion. Adopting a lifestyle that is both sustainable and eco-friendly has become increasingly important. By making conscious food choices, individuals can reduce their environmental impact, support animal welfare, and contribute to a healthier planet. This holistic approach to eating encourages a more mindful relationship with our food sources. Embarking on a dietary journey that prioritizes plant-based foods can significantly reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly colon cancer. The high fiber content inherent in these diets aids in digestive health, ensuring toxins are efficiently expelled from the body. Switching to a plant-based lifestyle could be a gateway to not just a healthier body, but also a longer, more vibrant life. Numerous studies suggest that those who favor fruits, vegetables, and whole grains tend to enjoy a longer lifespan. Diversity in your diet is more than just about taste. It's about cultivating a rich and varied gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall health. A plant-based diet introduces a wide array of beneficial bacteria, bolstering your immune system and digestive health. High blood pressure, a silent threat to many, can be effectively managed and even prevented through mindful dietary choices. Plant-based diets are naturally lower in sodium and saturated fats, key factors in maintaining optimal blood pressure levels. Embracing a plant-based diet is not only a commitment to your health but also to the planet. By reducing your carbon footprint, you contribute to combating climate change. This lifestyle minimizes environmental damage and promotes a sustainable future for all. Decreasing exposure to antibiotics and hormones found in animal products is a significant health benefit. These substances, often used in conventional farming, can accumulate in the human body, leading to potential health risks. Embracing alternatives helps in avoiding these unwanted additives. Improving kidney function by reducing its workload offers a pathway to better health. Diets high in animal proteins can strain the kidneys, heightening the risk of kidney-related issues. A shift towards more plant-based choices can alleviate this stress, promoting kidney longevity. Enhancing the overall functionality of the immune system is crucial, especially in today's fast-paced world. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains supplies the body with essential nutrients and antioxidants. These components are vital in fortifying the body's defenses against illnesses. Promoting bone health through calcium-rich plant foods is another noteworthy advantage. Contrary to popular belief, Many plant-based sources of calcium, such as leafy greens and legumes, can meet and even exceed dietary requirements, ensuring strong and healthy bones. Offering a natural way to detoxify the body, a shift towards consuming more whole and unprocessed ingredients supports the body's inherent detoxification processes. This approach helps in eliminating toxins more effectively, leading to improved overall health and vitality. Adopting this lifestyle leads to more ethical and compassionate food choices. It's a way of living that acknowledges the value of every creature, promoting a kinder, more sustainable world. By choosing plant-based options, individuals actively contribute to reducing animal suffering. Including a variety of antioxidants in your diet combats oxidative stress, protecting your body at the cellular level. These powerful substances, found abundantly in plants, safeguard your health by neutralizing harmful free radicals, thus reducing your risk of chronic diseases. Embracing this approach encourages creativity and variety in meal planning. It invites individuals to explore a world of flavors, textures, and nutrients that they might have previously overlooked. This not only makes meals more interesting but also ensures a well-rounded intake of nutrients. Focusing on whole, unprocessed ingredients can significantly reduce food costs. By prioritizing these foods, not only does one benefit from higher nutritional value, but it also leads to savings in the grocery bill. This approach promotes both health and financial well-being. Improved sleep quality and patterns may be an unexpected benefit of this lifestyle. The nutritional balance it provides supports the body's natural rhythms, helping individuals to fall asleep faster and enjoy more restorative sleep, thus enhancing overall health and vitality. Supporting weight loss is a significant benefit of focusing on nutrient-dense, lower-calorie foods. This approach allows for satisfying meals without the excessive calorie intake, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight or shed unwanted pounds. Strong hair and nails are often a reflection of our inner health, and a diet rich in vital nutrients can provide the building blocks required for their strength and growth. This natural boost can lead to noticeable improvements in their appearance and condition. Maintaining a balanced pH in the body is crucial for overall health, and certain dietary choices can help achieve this balance. Consuming a variety of foods that promote alkalinity can aid in stabilizing the body's pH levels, contributing to better health and vitality. Encouraging better hydration is an often overlooked aspect of a healthy diet. Consuming water-rich foods not only provides essential nutrients but also helps in maintaining optimal hydration levels, which is vital for every bodily function. Inspiring a global movement towards healthier eating habits is not just about personal health but also about the health of our planet. By making more conscious food choices, individuals can contribute to a larger shift towards sustainability and a healthier future for all.